welcome back to a video on the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be a demonstration / test of this brand new panel I got, which is an EST fire shield. And yeah, we'll be demonstrating a few features, not like features, I'll just be showing how I have it set up. So for the pole station, we got the Simplex 425152. For the NAC or notification appliance 1, we've got my SHG. And for notification appliance 2, we got my Genesis remote strobe. The strobes will be out of sync, by the way. So yeah, hopefully this works. And if it doesn't, I'll just redo this and do the drill feature. So yeah, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. Time for signal silence, and we have audible silence. Haha. As you can hear, I have it coded to code 3, and this just goes. So yeah. So this is a 5-zone 2-NAC panel, and I really like how it works. I'm glad I bought this. So yeah, actually the one I originally bought didn't work, but then got a replacement for free, and I have a working panel now. So I'll be putting this on a demonstration board coming relatively soon. It's going to be a little bit of a project, so just keep that one in mind. But yeah, we'll be building a demo board for this thing. So I think that's everything I need to say. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace.